Hi, I'm Rob Rapuana, and I have the privilege of serving as the president and CEO of Ned Stevens Gutter Cleaning. Our journey began in 1965 when a local milkman named Ned Stevens offered to help his customers clean their rain gutters. Now, 60 years later, the Ned Stevens brand has grown, offering multiple exterior services while spanning across 20 states. All the while, staying true to our founder's mission of providing safe, quality service for our loyal customers year after year. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you the next step in our company's evolution, and that's the consolidation of our amazing team of experts, along with our services and years of experience, into one home, Ned's Home. And so today, we proudly announce that Ned Stevens Gutter Cleaning is now Ned's Home. This transformation builds upon our heritage, embracing both our innovation, advanced technology, and safety, while offering our customers the convenience and peace of mind that comes with a one-stop shop that will take care of their exterior home needs, both safely and professionally. Ned's Home has 8 divisions, all designed to protect your home and your loved ones who live there. As always, we will be open 7 days a week, 363 days a year, and all of the people who come to your home will be our employees, not subcontractors. These 8 expert divisions include the services you've come to know and trust: Ned Stevens Gutter Cleaning, Ned Stevens Gutter Installation and Repair, Ned's Power Washing, Ned's Window Cleaning, Ned's Dryer Vent Cleaning, and now we're thrilled to announce 3 new expert divisions: Ned's Lawn Treatment, to ensure your yard stays green and healthy; Ned's Pest Control, safeguarding your home from unwanted guests; and lastly, a full commercial service line to take care of HOA and multifamily residences, known as Ned's Commercial Services. For the last 60 years, we've worked hard to earn your trust, and now we welcome you to our home, Ned's Home. We thank you for your loyalty, and we look forward to seeing you soon.